Hey guys, welcome to my channel Educational Hub Creator. How are you all? And if you're new to the channel, just subscribe it. And our today's topic is about the full forms and their headquarters. These are very important for the purpose of the competitive examination. Okay, so first CRPF. It is one of the biggest paramilitary forces in the world, having the headquarters in Delhi, and ITBP, which is located at the borders of India and the China. Okay, and BSF, the first line of defense of India, is known as BSF, and CISF, the Industrial Security Force, as it is inducted at PSUs and different airports. Okay, and Shastra Seema Bal is that which is at the borders of Nepal and India, and ICG is that it conducts the same duty performed by the Navy, protecting our maritime. Okay, fine. And as we know, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, recently we are listening this name. So recently, currently we are going through different diseases like corona, that has been means certified, or different types of medicines has been certified by ICMR, and the guidelines also is given by ICMR. Okay, which is located in New Delhi. CCMB, it is used for conducting the research on molecular biology, which is very important, and it is established at Hyderabad. NIN, it is also autonomous body under ICMR, which conducts the research on nutrition and different types of things. Okay, and CSIR is that it is useful to conduct the scientific and also different types of research is conducted in CSIR. Okay, in New Delhi. And Niti Aayog, it is known as the think tank, Make in India, and different types of things you can observe in Niti Aayog, which is also situated in New Delhi. And DRDO, you know, Defense Research and Development Organization, as it is useful to different types of tanks, aircrafts, different things which are inducted in Air Force, Navy or Army, has been produced by DRDO. And Assam Rifles, Assam Rifles is also kind of a force which is inducted at the borders of India and China, India and Bangladesh, which is headed at Shillong, with the headquarters of Shillong. Okay, Research Center Imarat, which was established by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in year 1988, which is headed at Hyderabad. It is also an autonomous body of DRDO. Okay, and Bharat Dynamic, it is also an autonomous body under DRDO, with which conducts the supersonic like guided missiles or different types of research is conducted at Bharat Dynamic Limited. Okay, Defense Electronics means what are the design or the analysis has to be done, that is done at Defense Electronics, which is situated at Hyderabad. Military Engineering Services is that it is conducting standard of engineering in both civil and defense line. It is also comes under Ministry of Defense, Military Engineering Services. And Indian Space Organization, as you know, ISRO is one of the famous organizations which is situated in Bangalore. And ARCI, it is that this is the organization which converts the technology into the industrial form, which is located in Hyderabad. DMRL is that the different kinds of metallurgical kind, means different types of materials or the alloys are being combined, and the finest of the things are being used by the defense organization like DRDO and RCI. BHE, you know, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. So it is that which designs the aircraft, turbines and different kinds of things. Bharat Electronics is that it produces and it gives to the other companies like BHEL, NTPC, etc. And DST is that the autonomous body which develops the science and technology in India. And MHRD is that whatever the UGC, AICT, whatever we are saying, that comes under MHRD. And PMO is that whatever the things has to be done by PM, that will be announced by the PM office. Okay, MHA is that the IB, Intelligence Bureau, and CAPF, everything comes under MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs. MOD means Ministry of Defense, like Army, Air Force and Navy. This all comes under Ministry of Defense. And Ministry of Health and Family Affairs is that the health conditions or the family welfare, different kinds of things have been described by MOHW. Okay, and Ministry of Railways is that, you know, different goods which has to be traveled from one place to another, these are being controlled by Ministry of Railways. And Ministry of Finance, you know, the economic and the revenue conditions are being controlled by the Ministry of Finance. UPSC is that it conducts the Group A exam to induct into different services. Okay, and SSC is that it conducts the different kinds of examination for inducting into Group B, Group C and Group D, which is also situated at New Delhi. you know CBSE, that as you know that from 1 to 12 CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, which is also located at New Delhi. NCRT, it is also one of the educational research and training institute which is also located at New Delhi. AICTE is that technical education kind of thing, is certified by AICTE. UGC is University Grant Commission. They will be granting the commission to that certain universities, okay, which is also at New Delhi. Reserve Bank is that which is also located at Mumbai, okay, fine. And you know that United Nation, which is a peacekeeping force or peacekeeping organization, which is located at New York. WHO, World Health Organization, whatever the certification or the different kinds of medicines are being certified by WHO. And UNESCO is that creating the educational and scientific culture at different countries, okay. UNESCO conduct that is located at Paris. And UNICEF is that International Children Fund, means different kinds of things which are carried out through the different countries are controlled by UNICEF. IL means International Labor Organization, which is at Geneva. Okay, Indian Monetary Funds means goods that is transported from here to there are being monitored by the Monetary Fund, which is at Washington DC. And ICC, you know it, Indian International Cricket Council, which is at Dubai. BCCI, one of the richest board, you know it, okay, which is at Mumbai. Okay, fine. These are some of the group A services I have pointed out, and some of the full form that you basically see. So IAS, you know, IPS, you know, IRS, you know. IAS is that district magistrate, or IPS is the DSP, ASP. IRS is that customs officer. IFS is foreign services, and forestry also. IFOS is known as Indian Forestry Service. CAPF is that BSF, CRPF, CISF, SSB, and BSF, okay. ITVP, okay, that comes under CAPF. GOI means Government of India. LOC means, you know, that line of control which is between India and Pakistan. And LAC is that the line of control between in India and China. INA is that Indian Naval Academy, where the naval officers are trained. IAF, Indian Air Force. SSB, that which is conducted 5 days interviews are conducted to induct the officers. And OTA is that Officers Training Academy, you know, through where the army officers are inducted, okay. IMA is also same, where army officers are inducted. And NDA is that National Defense Academy. After 12 you can appear that. So how do you like that? Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.